Hey, this is David Dent Doubles. We're getting ready to do a roof. What we're going to use on is the Miracle System line puller and their glue tabs. Typically, a roof like this to be done conventional would be replaced, or they would use what's called a nail gun on there. Or where I specialize in paintless and what's called hybrid repairs, we would use the Miracle System or PDR it. But if we PDR this, typically we'd have to pull the whole headliner down. As you can see how this roof's all caved in, you've got these ribs in here. Climb up on the other side. You probably can see where these are pushed down in here. And so what our goal on this one is to just use the Miracle System line puller, and you'll see that in a few minutes, is to gently lift this roof up and then tap down the crowns. And this one, the customer just wants it improved. We'll see how close we get. His next option would be to go in and drop the headliner. If we had to do more on this, we'd be using what's called a strong puller. And we can get in here and pretty much metal finish it without taking off a bunch of metal and damaging the backside. But you'd still need to pull the headliner and disconnect the airbags. Okay, so we have to save time and keep the video short, we have the line puller all set up. And we've already cleaned the surface on here to get all the contaminants off. The Miracle System comes with several different widths and styles of glue pulling tabs. So you can see you've got these three right here of different widths. They're all the same length. And then you have these where they've got a little bit of curvature to it. One's really sharp and the other one's a little more rounded. I've already predetermined what size I believe is going to be the best to try to get this up. And so what I've determined is, so what we're going to do on this, and I've already got my glue puller and my glue gun all set up. So what I'll do, generous amount of glue on here so we can get a really strong pull. These bars are adjustable on here, so depending on what you're trying to pull. So like on this one we found a good area that's nice and strong, so we're not going to be causing other damage. I'm actually going to move this one over a little bit more so it's closer to the edge. So the last thing you want to do is fix one area and cause damage to another. Let that set up. Then what we're going to do is lower this and adjust it down. Slide this special Allen and then we can bring up. You can see it's got a lot of force on it. We can even, roofs are a little bit more tricky, but we can hold some pressure on here. Need the displacement crowns. We use these special lights to see exactly where the displacement is and stuff. I've already gone through and determined where they are. Here. Before I had the Miracle system, I'd get in here and just use a slide hammer on it. That works too, but not as efficient, not as consistent. And now, all we have on here is one little low spot right down in here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's there. There's also another little attachment that we can put onto here, but honestly, I don't have that yet. So we can put other glue tabs on there besides what the Miracle system has. Okay, I'm going to show you what we have left. This is it. See if I can roll that light across there. That can easily be finished with Paintless Dent Repair if the headliner was down. As I said, you need to get the other attachment so you can attach smaller glue tabs. What I'm going to do is start on with another system that I have that's a little handheld that would be a good complement to this system. But for now, if you look at what we started with and what we have now, excellent results. Okay, what we're gonna do is I've got some other tabs to show you that this can be a great complement. So for that last little bit there, we're gonna glue on a tab and let that set up for a few seconds. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I've got another glue tab. We're going to attach that in there. We can lift up that little area there. One last little bit. Voila. And that dent is done. So here we are from this side here. There's a little more that we could work. Get some little micro tabs and pull in these areas here to finish this roof off. Versus we've got this one over here that was scheduled to do, but it's got some mold issues, so we're not going to be doing the Miracle system on it because it totaled out. But see how all the headliner is down? You got to pull all the pillar moldings off and everything. This windshield would have to be pulled to get this headliner out. This one was going to be a great one for the Miracle System. All this stuff was pushed down. We could work these with the strong puller. All these areas in here. This area in here with the strong puller and the glue. Same one here, glue and the strong puller. This edge we could have worked. And these in here with glue and the strong puller. This low spot right in here. But anyway, so here we are from this side here. There's a little more that we could work. Get some little micro tabs and pull in these areas here to finish this roof off. Versus we've got this one over here that was scheduled to do, but it's got some mold issues, so we're not going to be doing the Miracle System on it because it totaled out. But see how all the headliner is down? You got to pull all the pillar moldings off and everything. This windshield would have to be pulled to get this headliner out. This one was going to be a great one for the Miracle System. All this stuff was pushed down. We could work these with the strong puller. All these areas in here. This area in here with the strong puller and the glue. Same one here, glue and the strong puller. This edge we could have worked. And these in here with glue and the strong puller. This low spot right in here. But anyway, got the afters of this roof. This one was just a basic paintless improvement repair. We can get in there and do some more glue pulling on this. Like I said, if the headliner's down, we could have even used the strong puller on there, but that would require painting and pulling the headliner down and the roof, the windshield and the racks and all that. Anyway, this is Eddie with the Dent Devils. If you're interested in checking out the Miracle System and you're in Southern California, please give me a call. See if we can set up doing a demo at my shop. You can see how fast this thing is and how efficient it'll be and how it can make your body shop more money and how you can retain more of the value of your car versus using old school outdated methods like these nails here and the slide hammers. As you can see, this one here does a lot of damage to the backside. If you went to the backside of our panels, you're not going to have anything. You're not going to worry about the corrosion protection if you're just using the glue system and the PDR. Take care, and looking forward to helping you out.